Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today I have a package from Sparkle Supplies. I purchased their mystery Christmas box, so I thought I'd pop on here and share it with you. But if you don't want to know what's inside, then obviously don't watch this video. But if you like what you see in this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. I'm going to get right into it. I have had a little peek, so I'm just going to take this box out. So we've got some lovely stickers on here showing her Instagram and like the address. And I'm not going to show the front obviously because it's got my address on it. I'm going to put that aside. So this is the box that you get, and also you get a little like sort of thank you for purchasing, and hope you enjoy the goodies and stuff, and she gives her Spark Instagram and Facebook and any contact details there, which is nice. It was $16.99. It was $2.49 shipping, but I used I don't know if anybody else follows her, but it's Beauty Matters, which is a really nice YouTuber on here who shares a lot of Sparkle supplies. So I used her discount code. I'll link her YouTube in my description so you can head over to her page and get her discount code. So the total was, so it was $16.99 with the shipping, $2.49, and then it was, I think, 15% off, so it was actually $16.93. So it's like I saved on the shipping in a way, sort of thing. So it comes really nice as well. I think you can pay for, I think there's different shipping methods, I can't remember, but anyway, let's get into this one and show you what we got. Also got this paper in here, which tells you like how much everything would be to buy individually and how much the total of the box is worth. So it says that the box is worth £20.24, but I only got it for like $16.99, which is a bargain. And then this is the box. First thing we got was this foil, which is called, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see the names, which is called Hollow Red. And this is really nice red foil, perfect like Christmas red. See all those sort of shapes, really pretty, very nice, cool effect. Then we got this foil called Hollow Snowflakes. I love this. I love holographic, anything holographic, send my way. But this is really nice with a black background if you want something sort of pretty but simple at the same time. Nice. I ignore my nails at the moment, I haven't painted them. These are just some what are they called, full cover tips. First time doing them, by the way. Anyway, but if you want to see a video of how I did them and where I learned them from, leave a comment and I'll definitely do that. Then we got some decals. They're just called Christmas decals. I'll show you what they look like. Yep, 6 in the pack. This one with like some sort of snowman, well, they are snowmen. So these are decals, so you do like, I think you put them in water or something and then they slide off. You could do it that way, or you can use it with a stamper and slide it onto the nail, which is really cool. And like the shape of these is like sort of a whole nail sort of thing. Really nice. Then we got these ones as well, really cute snowmen. It's good for like, if you're not a good hand painter, like I'm not saying I'm a good hand painter because I really ain't, you know, I'm still practicing and learning as I go on, but these are good for like little designs like that. Really pretty. I thought this one was so cute when I saw this one. These sort of reindeer type ones, they're so pretty. I love these. Love this one, love the pink and little sort of Santa and Mrs. Claus, really cute. Then we have this one, which is like a cartoony sort of Santa in his sleigh, really cute, and snow. I think this one is one of my favourites. I love the colours, so it's sort of like a winter wonderland place, sort of maybe the North Pole type of thing. Love the colours, really cute, different. Then we got some more snowmen. really cute. Love that one. This is one of my favorites as well. Very classy but simple looking. Pretty. I love this colour. Bluey sort of purple almost. Love it. With Merry Christmas on it. Really nice. Then we got these ones, which are like individual sort of little pictures of snowmen, like on sleighs and stuff. This kind of reminds me like Jack Frost when he's on that sleigh thing, sort of. Yeah, they're really cute. And then we got these ones, which have some Santas on it, some bells, and some Christmas trees and little Merry Christmas signs and candy canes. They're really sweet as well. So I can't wait to use that, put them away and show you where they go or where I put them. I might add it in this video another day, or I might just add a picture, I'm not sure yet. Then we got some little pots here. I've got 4 pots. So the first one was this one is just some silver leaf. I'm not going to open it because I know leaf goes everywhere, but it's really nice. Then we got some, it's called hollow mylar, which is this green mylar. I'll open this one so you can see this one. Here we go, really pretty. So you'll see the holographicness in that. Very nice. That'd be nice, like over maybe a red nail. And we got these. These are called, I think it's called Descendants, I think, maybe. I might be calling it wrong with the Descendants. But anyway, they're these really cute, tiny, red crystals. Or rhinestones. Really pretty. Perfect for Christmas. Or even any time, really. So then I got these, and I'm glad I got these in this box, because I don't, obviously with the mystery box you don't know what you get, but I'm so glad she put these in, because I was going to buy these and I really love these. So these are those hollow spangles. I'll just show you them. There you go. You can see it in the lid actually, and I think they're like 2 to 3 different sizes. But look at the holographic on them, and they're silver, and I think they do gold. I think they do other colours as well, but they're really pretty, like little details, like sort of star thing. Then you can like double them up and make like a different sort of star compared to like the spangle shape. You make it like an actual star shape. But they're really nice, and you really do get a lot in these. So they're really worth it. Right, so these are these snowflakes. I hope you can see them properly. I'll show you again in a minute. But they're like sort of purple with that sort of iridescent-y sort of greeny blue shade to it. Kind of gives me like Frozen vibes. But they're really nice. Then we got some glitter. This is called Pot of Gold. So it's this really fine, very Christmassy gold glitter. Really pretty. I said you get quite a lot in these as well, and I will be putting these into pots, which I'll show you in a moment. I've got quite a few of these which I'll end up keeping, because I'll not the ones with the glitter so much, because obviously you can't really get them out, but the ones that are fine I'll just keep them. They'll be handy for other nail stuff or foils. Anyway, called Vamp. It's this gorgeous, I don't know if my light is going to pick it up properly, but it's this gorgeous red, very fine red glitter, but so Christmassy. I don't think it's hollow, no, but it's very, very pretty, very lovely. And then the last one was this green called Envy, and this is sort of like a holographic, almost perfect Christmassy green, and I love this colour. I love it, so pretty. And you can see there's like fine bits and more chunkier bits in there, but all gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So that's what I got in the box. And then what I ordered, because I got the idea from Beauty Matters, because I thought it makes sense as well, like, because trying to get the glitter out of these when you're using them is going to be a bit difficult. So I got some of these pots from Amazon. Let me just zoom out a bit. Got these from Amazon. I did get them from Beauty Matters link to a Amazon page. So if you want these, I'll link them in the description, or link her page, and you can get them from there. These are the 10-gram pots. They do come with like labels and stuff, but what I see her do is take the labels from the actual bag, so we'll try and do that and put them in there instead. And you get 10 in a bag, and I think it was £4 something. They're not going to go in there, they're going to go in a separate thing that I got, which I'll show you in a little bit. Yeah, so these are the pots. So they're nice size, nice screw-on lid. You can use these for other things. You could make like a lip balm or something like that and put that in it, or you could mix up acrylics and stuff like that and put that in it, or make up like custom colours of sort of eyeshadowy type things. You can mix them up and put these in there because they're quite airtight as well. So I'm gonna basically, so that's it. So what I'm gonna do, so I know where they're from, exactly like she done, which I thought the idea was absolutely great, so I just thought I'd do that as well. I'll put the Sparkle Supply sticker on here, and then the vamp name at the bottom. Yeah. You could tell, like, just an example, this is the pot that come with the Mylar, how different in size they are. But because these are like a loose glitter, you know, there might be more in that, but it doesn't matter, because even if you run out a little bit, you know that you could get that colour again and just top it up. But I'm sure, like, you get a lot in it anyway, so I don't think you have to worry about that. But look at that red again, look how beautiful that is. So Christmassy. Very nice. And that's ready to go into the drawer with the other glitters. What I'm going to do, actually, I know I've got some red glitter on there already, but I'm going to put this here so I don't get any more glitter on the desk. There we go, gorgeous gold. So sparkly. Very Christmassy. So this is Envy. So that is the last one. So pretty, look at that, I love all of them. I could see myself just doing all my nails in these. But anyways, these are stunning. Absolutely stunning. All I got from them, I'm absolutely over the moon with them. So I'm just going to show you where I'm going to put these. I've added this clip in and done a voiceover. So this is my glitter drawer. I know it looks a bit chaotic at the moment, but if I do decide to like reorganize it, maybe I'll do a video. Or if you want to see that in a video, then leave a comment below. So I'm just putting those little pots there, which had the glitters and the little glitter things. And these are the big pots that I put the glitters into. And they're going to go next to those, as you can see. So that's it for now, but if I do reorganise this, like I said, I'll do it in a video, or you can leave a comment if that's what you would like to see. Then remember these pots, or these things that I put stuff into? Well, I've just sort of reorganised it a little bit so I can make space for these snowflakes. And I ended up moving these moon and stars over to the next side, so then they could be there, and ended up putting the snowflakes into two because there was a lot in there, which is great. And I'll also use these for makeup looks as well, so it'll go like multi-use, which is good. And now I'm going to show you where I put the decals. I'll also just show you the other one is full up, but I've got spare ones as well in the drawer if I need them. So I'm just going to put these Christmas decals into here like that, as you can see, and there's still plenty of space. And now I'm going to put these foils into my foil folder and just showing you where I've put them. I put them at the back for now and class it as a Christmas section. Unless I decide to change them again, I'll do that in a video. But for now, that's where they are, because I know like after Halloween you got Christmas, so that's where I put them, because they came in a Christmas box. If I decide to move them based on colour or holographicness, then I will do that in another video. And again, still plenty of pages left in that folder. So yeah, that's how I put them away. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. And if you want to see how I put these tips on, they're not no expensive ones or anything, they're just from Amazon, but the method I used, then leave a comment below, like I said. And if you'd like to see some more videos of anything from Sparkle Supplies or any other place like that, or me do my actual nails on a video, then leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.